Hello everyone, welcome back. We are still dealing with spellings, all right? Now, all the spellings you find on the board here, they are all correct, all right? Yes. So any other spelling outside this will be tantamount to, errors. You see, cassette here, it is double S, double T, all right? So double S here, then double T, all right? You must write this way. Then you see maneuver. After writing man, then you put O before EU, then VRE. This is how to write maneuver. Some will even write man, then over. That's MAN, then OVER, which is very wrong. Okay? Because if people are trying to write things, the way it occurs to them in sound, they try to project it out with the letters, and it's very, very wrong. Then some even call it postpone. They'll say pro. There is no R before O in postpone, it's postpone. Postpone. Okay? Then we talk about occurrence. Occurrence is what? Double C, then double what? R. Okay? Don't look at these as, things that are minor. Examiners deal with students with spellings, all right? They punish students a lot by circling that spelling you have actually worked, not gotten right. Then you talk about maintenance. When you say maintenance, some write main, then say they put AI here in place of E, it is wrong. But if you want to spell normal maintain, that's when you are permitted to put AIN. But if it is maintenance, all right, it is E that should be here, all right? Then duly, some will even put DUELY. This is where the error comes in. Never you put E after you, duly, all right? Yes. Then truly too, many errors are made. After you, they put E. Truly, I truly love you. They will now put E after you, all right? It's very wrong. Then vacuum. The error here is that many persons normally put one U, and it's wrong. Vacuum takes two U's, all right, not one, all right? Then until, the reason why this is here is that many persons put double L here in until, all right, double L, and it's very wrong. Some put onomatopoeia as, since it sounds peer, they put PIA, finish, all right? In place of what? All these, they will just put PIA, which is very wrong. This is the correct spelling of onomatopoeia, all right? All right? So it must be there, all the spellings. Then you talk about line. This is line, progressive form of line, or lie rather. Then some put E before I, all right? Some put E before I, that's LYE, it's very wrong, okay? So that's that. You see neighbor here, this is a British standard. Americans will never put this U there, all right? They only put R, okay? Just like this word here, meter, all right? There is a difference between noun and this. Take note, the first one is British spelling, and that's the one that is accepted. This one is American. But if you check the laptops that you use, all right, many of them are actually made by Americans. That's why all their spellings are modeled after their own spelling standard. So if you are actually using laptop to type, and then you find you want to what write the word meter, if you type this, it will underline it as red, telling you that it is wrong. It is not wrong. It is because this is the spelling recognized by them. It is now left for you to now correct it. The same thing with this. If you are typing, you are bound to find a spelling like this, all right? A spelling like this, color, all right? Then if you change it to this, computer will underline it with red, showing that it's not correct. But this is the correct spelling, British standard. Okay, so that's that. So we talk about neighbor here. This is the correct spelling, right? Then tarpaulin. Some even call it tampolin. They put TAM. You can see that the spelling is outside what is in this word. All right? So that's that. Then this one, the error here is that some people call it cemetery. All right? Whether it is symmetry, all right? They put N before T. Call it cemetery. It's not cemetery, it's cemetery. And see brazier. Brazier. All right? Used by ladies. Some even put ZZ. It's brazier. All right? So this is how it is spelled. BRA, then S scale. All right? Then IERE. That's it. Then we talk about camouflage. Some even call it camouflage. They will end it in what? G. It is very wrong. It's camouflage. It is CAMOUFLAGE. All right? Then you talk about trek. Now, one error people make is that they put C before K in trek. They put C before K, but this is the spelling of trek. Okay, and beginning is another bad way of testing, students' level of intelligence. All right, beginning. Some we put one N there, which is very wrong. Okay, then separate. The error here is that many persons put E here, separate. Where right is sepa, it's separate. All right, so it is A that should be here. Then accommodation. The error many persons make is to put either one C here or put only one N here, or put double C here and put one N here. This is the way to go. It is going to go double C and what? Double N. Then you talk about amateur. All right? Yeah. Somebody who is unprofessional. Then it's one M. Then you have one T there too. That's how it is spelled. Then rendezvous, meaning what? Venue. All right? Rendezvous. All right? This is how it is spelled. This word is pronounced rendezvous. All right? Rendezvous. All right? Then vous, rendezvous. That's how it is. Then professor. This is another word. Many persons put double F in professor. All right? Professor is single F. Then with what? Double S. All right, so that's how it is. So that in our next video we look at another topic.